In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access notifications. Then tap on App Notifications at the top and select All at the top left corner of this list. Now click on the best option for you, in my case Most Frequent. Lastly, to block all notifications, click on blue switcher next to your app. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now gray one. You can also tap on one of your apps on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!